Today we are going to see islands of India in Indian geography. Total number of islands in India are 247. Number of islands present in India are 247. Among them, 204 islands are present in Bay of Bengal, 43 islands are present in Arabian Sea and Gulf of Mannar. Total 247 islands. In the 247 islands, 204 present in Bay of Bengal, 43 present in Arabian Sea and Gulf of Mannar. East side of India, you have Bay of Bengal. In this Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Islands are present. Andaman Nicobar Islands are present. We are preparing general studies in easy way. We are discussing Indian geography topics with all short codes. Today we are learning islands of India topic in Indian outline. There are 247 islands are present in India. That means total islands in India are 247. Among the 247 islands, 204 islands are present in Bay of Bengal. Remaining 43 islands are present in Arabian Ocean and Gulf of Mannar. Arabian Ocean present west side of India. Bay of Bengal present east side of India. In the east side of India, in Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Islands are situated. In the west side, in Arabian Ocean, Lakshadweeps are situated. The main group of islands in India are Andaman Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweeps in Arabian Ocean. Coming to Andaman Nicobar Islands, these are called archipelago. Archipelago means group of islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands are the biggest archipelago in India. These Andaman Nicobar Islands are volcanic origin. The area of Andaman Nicobar Islands is 8,249 square kilometer. Andaman Nicobar Islands are biggest archipelago. They are volcanic origin. Their area is 8,249 square kilometers. These Andaman Nicobar Islands are present in Bay of Bengal. Coming to Lakshadweeps. Lakshadweeps, which are situated in Arabian Ocean, west side of India. These are coral origin. Important point, these are coral origin. The total number of islands in Lakshadweeps are 36. 36. Remember, Andaman Nicobar Islands are volcanic origin, Lakshadweeps are coral origin. Let us discuss them in depthly. Let us go in depth about Andaman Nicobar Islands. Already you know Andaman Nicobar Islands are situated in Bay of Bengal. These Andaman Nicobar Islands are divided into two parts, Andaman group and Nicobar group. First take Andaman group. Andaman group divided into two parts again. One is Great Andaman, another one is Little Andaman. Remember, Andaman group divided into two parts, Great Andaman and Little Andaman. Just see, Andaman group we have divided into Great Andaman and Little Andaman. Again, this Great Andaman group divided into three parts. North side, North Andaman group, middle side, Middle Andaman group, and south side, South Andaman group. Once again, Andaman group divided into two parts, Great Andaman and Little Andaman. Great Andaman again divided into North Andaman, Middle Andaman and South Andaman. The features present in North Andaman are Narcondam Island, which is extinct volcano in North Andaman group. It was extincted, Narcondam Island, extincted volcano. Coming to one more feature, Saddle Peak, the highest peak in Andaman group. Highest peak in Andaman group is Saddle Peak, which is situated in North Andaman group. The features of North Andaman are, one is Narcondam, it is extinct volcano. Another one is Saddle Peak, it is highest peak. Coming to Middle Andaman. In the Middle Andaman also, one of the important volcano is present, that is Barren. Barren is the active volcano. The one and only active volcano present in India is Barren, which is situated in Middle Andaman. In North Andaman, we have Narcondam, that is extinct volcano. In Middle Andaman, we have Barren, that is active volcano. Coming to the South Andaman, we have the capital city of Andaman Nicobar groups, that is Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman Nicobar Islands. Port Blair situated in South Andaman Islands. Andaman Nicobar group, we have two groups, Great Andaman and Little Andaman. This Great Andaman and Little Andaman divided by one pass, that is called Duncan Pass. Questions may be asked two ways. Which pass is present between South Andaman and Little Andaman? The answer is Duncan Pass. Which pass is present between Great Andaman and Little Andaman? That is Duncan Pass. Very, very important feature for competitive exams. Where is the Duncan Pass situated? It is situated between Great Andaman and Little Andaman. After the Andaman group, we have Nicobar Islands. Nicobar Islands, this Andaman group and Nicobar group separated by 10 degrees channel. 10 degrees. The biggest island in Andaman group is Middle Andaman. The Middle Andaman is the biggest island in Andaman group, that is 1536 square kilometer. In total India wide also, biggest island is Middle Andaman only. The smallest island in Andaman group is Kurl Island. Kurl Island, its area is 0.3 square kilometers. One more smallest island is Ross Island, that is 0.8 square kilometers. Previously, the smallest island was Ross Island, but present update is the smallest island is Kurl Island, situated in Andaman group. Once again, the biggest island is Middle Andaman, the smallest island is Kurl Island. One more important point is the Saddle is the highest peak in Andaman group. Its height is 732 meters. 732 meters. Coming to Nicobar group. In Nicobar group, the total number of islands are 18. Its area is 1653 square kilometers. Area is 1653 square kilometers. The highest peak in Nicobar group, The important question, the highest peak in Nicobar group is Mount Tulia. Mount Tulia, its height is 642 meters. 642 meters. The coastal line of Nicobar group is 132 kilometers. The four major points are in Nicobar group. There are 18 islands are situated. Its area is 1653 square kilometer. Highest peak is Mount Tulia. Its height is 642 meters. The coastal line of Nicobar group is 132 kilometers. Nicobar group we have divided into two groups. Those are Car Nicobar and Great Nicobar. Once again, Nicobar group is divided into two parts. One is Car Nicobar, another one is Great Nicobar. In Car Nicobar, we have such important islands. Those names are Kachal, Kamauta, Nankari, Trinket and Pulo Milo or Palo Milo. The important islands situated in Car Nicobar islands are as follows: Kachal, Kamauta, Nankari, Trinket and Pala Milo. Coming to Great Nicobar, one of the important feature of Great Nicobar is in Great Nicobar we have Indira Point or Pygmalion Point. It is the India's southernmost point, southernmost ending point. So remember, India's southernmost ending point is situated in Great Nicobar Island. That point is Indira Point or Pygmalion Point. Generally, in land area, the southernmost point is Kanyakumari. Coming to islands, it is Indira Point or Pygmalion Point. If they ask land, you must write Kanyakumari. If they ask Iceland, you must remember Indira Point or Pygmalion Point. Coming to the biggest and smallest islands present in Nicobar group. The biggest island present in Nicobar group is Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar. The biggest island present in Nicobar group is Great Nicobar. This Great Nicobar island is very nearer to Sumatra Island of Indonesia. This Great Nicobar is the biggest island in Car Nicobar. This biggest island is Great Nicobar. It is very nearer to Sumatra Island of Indonesia. The smallest island is Palo Milo. Palo Milo. Palo Milo is the smallest island in Nicobar group. Thank you. Coming to one more island group situated in Arabian Ocean towards west side of India or Lakshadweeps. Lakshadweeps are situated in Arabian Ocean. Lakshadweeps are coral island. The origin of Lakshadweeps based on corals. These Lakshadweeps are 300 kilometers nearer to the Kerala coast. Kerala coast is also called Malabar coast. Lakshadweeps are 300 kilometers nearer to the Kerala coast. The total number of islands present in Lakshadweeps are 36. In Lakshadweeps, we have 36 number of islands. In these 36 groups, only 11 islands contain people. The remaining all islands are empty. Remember, only 11 islands contain people, the remaining are completely empty. In these 36 islands, the biggest island is Minicoy. Minicoy is the biggest island in Lakshadweeps. The smallest island is Bitra. Bitra Island is the smallest island in Lakshadweeps. One more time. The biggest island is Minicoy in Lakshadweeps. The smallest island is Bitra in Lakshadweeps. 8 degrees channel passes through Minicoy. 8 degrees channel passes through Minicoy. And one more important point is the capital city of Lakshadweeps is Kavaratti. The capital city of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. In Lakshadweep, 97% people are Muslims. Completely 97% people are belongs to Muslims. In this Lakshadweep, 11 degrees channel also passes. 11 degrees channel divides the Lakshadweep into two groups. 11 degrees channel divides the Lakshadweep into two groups. North side they are called as Amin Islands. South side they are called as Kannanur Islands. Remember, 11 degrees channel divides the Lakshadweep into two groups, Amin Islands and Kannanur Islands. The north side islands are Amin Islands and the south side islands are Kannanur Islands. And one more, 9 degrees channel. 9 degrees channel also passes. It divides 9 degrees channel present between Suheli and Minikai Islands. Important concept is 9 degrees channel divides which islands? 9 degrees channel divides Suheli and Minikai. Coming to 8 degrees channel. Already we told here 8 degrees channel passes through Minikai. This 8 degrees channel separates the Minikai and Maldives. Minikai and Maldives. So Minikai is the last island present in the Lakshadweep. Between the Lakshadweep, Minikai belongs to Lakshadweep, no? So the question may be asked like this: which channel divides the Andaman Nicobar Islands and Maldives? Sir, which channel separates Lakshadweep and Maldives? Between Lakshadweep and Maldives, 8 degrees channel is present. One more time, remember all these channel. 11 degrees channel divides the Lakshadweep into Amin Island and Kannanur Islands. 9 degrees channel separates Suheli and Minikai. 8 degrees channel passes through Minikai. It separates the Minikai and Maldives. Maldives are separated by 8 degrees channel. Apart from Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep, we have some other islands which are situated in Gulf of Mannar or offshore of India. First you will see the islands which are situated in Gulf of Mannar. The Gulf of Mannar present between India and Sri Lanka. This Gulf of Mannar present between India and Sri Lanka. Between India and Sri Lanka, Gulf of Mannar is situated. In this Gulf of Mannar, the following islands are present. Those are Pamban, Rameshwaram, Crocodile and Kachetivu. Many of the examinations asked that Rameshwaram Island is situated in where? In Gulf of Mannar or between the India or Sri Lanka. Remember, Pamban, Rameshwaram, Crocodile and Kachetivu, these are the islands situated in Gulf of Mannar. Coming to very important point, that is Majuli Island. It is the biggest riverine island in the world. The island which is formed by a particular river, that is Majuli. It is the biggest island, biggest riverine island in the world. It is located in Brahmaputra river in Assam. The Majuli Island location is Brahmaputra river in Assam. Very important point. The largest riverine island in the world is Majuli Island. It is located in Assam and in Brahmaputra river. Coming to offshore islands of India. Offshore islands of India. There are many offshore islands present near the coastal areas of India. Those are first Piram and Baisala. The names are Piram and Baisala Island situated in Kathiawar coast. Kathiawar coast. Kathiawar coast is situated in Gujarat. Piram and Baisala, the names are important. Piram and Baisala islands are situated in Kathiawar coast. And one more, Daman Dayu or Dayu Daman. So it is also one of the union territory. Dayu Daman situated in Kutch coast. It is also present in Kutch coast. Coming to Alia Bet. Alia Bet. Alia Bet is a riverine island. It is also present in Narmada Tapati mouth. Alia Bet situation is Narmada Tapati mouth. Coming to very important islands, Elephanta and Salsetti. Elephanta and Salsetti islands are near Mumbai. Near Mumbai. So, near Mumbai. Coming to Sriharikota, Venad and Irukkam. Sriharikota, Venad and Irukkam islands are present in the mouth of Pulicat Lake. Mouth of Pulicat Lake. One more time, very important island, Sriharikota, which is having the rocket launching station. So Sriharikota, Venad and Irukkam are the islands present in the mouth of Pulicat Lake. These are present in Andhra Pradesh. Velar Island situated in the Chilaka Lagoon in Odisha. Velar Island situated in Chilaka Lagoon in Odisha. Coming to one more important island, Wellington. Wellington Island situated in Cochin Coast, Kerala. Cochin Coast, Kerala. So see one more time rapidly, offshore islands, Piram and Baisala situated in Kathiawar coast, Dayu Daman in Kutch coast, Alia Bet in Narmada and Tapati mouth, Elephanta Salsetti near Mumbai, Sriharikota, Venad and Irukkam present in mouth of Pulicat Lake, so Velar situated in Chilaka Lagoon, Wellington Island situated in Cochin coast. These are the offshore islands related to India. In 2018, December 30, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Andaman Nicobar Islands. During his visit, he renamed 3 Andaman Islands. Those are Ross Island, Nail Island and Havelock Island. To the Ross Island, he renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island. For the Ross Island, he has given Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island. To the Neil Island, he renamed as Shaheed Island. To the Havelock Island, he renamed as Swaraj Island. One more time. Ross Island renamed into Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Neil Island renamed into Shaheed Island. And Havelock Island renamed into Swaraj Island. And one more point, the tribal groups which are present in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Most of the examination they are asking the which group of tribes present in Andaman Nicobar Islands. The following groups are present in Andaman Nicobar Island. Those are Wongs, Centenalis, Jarowa, Shampen, Andamanis, Nicobaris. Andamanis, Nicobaris easy to remember, but Wongs, Centenalis, Zarowa and Champagne. Most of the examination asked is Champagne and Centenalis are the tribes present in where or which groups? Wongs, Centenalis, Jarowa, Champagne, Andamanis and Nicobaris present in Andaman Nicobar Islands. The 2 important channels are Coco Channel and Great Channel. Coco Channel separates the Andaman Nicobar group and Myanmar. Andaman Nicobar group and Myanmar. If you take Myanmar will be present in the east side of India, Andaman Nicobar groups present in the east side of India. These Myanmar and Andaman Nicobar groups are separated by which channel? Coco Channel. Coco Channel. Coming to one more channel, Great Channel. Great Channel. Andaman Nicobar groups and Indonesia. Andaman Nicobar groups and these Andaman Nicobar groups and Indonesia is separated by Great Channel. Great Channel. In Indonesia, Sumatra is very nearer to Andaman Nicobar group. Once again listen, Great Channel separates the Andaman Nicobar and Indonesia. Andaman Nicobar and Indonesia groups. Great Channel separates. Sumatra is nearer to the Andaman Nicobar groups. Up to that we have discussed the islands of India. Those are Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweeps, Gulf of Mannar Islands, offshore islands, and channels like 8 degrees, 9 degrees, 10 degrees, 11 degrees, Coco and Great Channel. The subject we are providing, general studies, is very useful to the all aspirants who are preparing to Group 1, Group 2, Railway, Army, Navy, SSC and all other competitive examinations. Thoroughly follow the general studies which are teaching in our channel.